classic box fan hasn't changed much over the years, as it continues to be a durable, powerful, and versatile fan. A box fan can be mounted on a patio screen door to intake fresh air or exhaust stale air. The flat surface of a basement window can also work. Just make sure to secure the fan. A standard box fan is 20 inches squared. By attaching a furnace filter, you can pre-filter the air as it enters your home, reducing dust and pollen. During the wildfire season, where it is both hot and smoky, you'll have to balance out ventilation with some cooling. If you don't have an air conditioner, running a filtered box fan at night can help cool your home. A single MERV 13 filter won't remove all the smoke, so this is best on days where the smoke is not as heavy. For more tips on reducing indoor smoke caused by wildfires, watch the video linked below. You can also use a box fan to make a Corsi Rosenthal box. At around $100, this DIY air purifier uses 4 MERV 13 filters and can be an effective way to clean the air. You can see how to build this in the video linked below. Now, to get the most out of this fan, you want to set up cross ventilation within your home. Cross-flow ventilation, or a cross breeze, is the process of bringing in fresh air by creating a path for it to flow through your home and out the opposite side. To cool a home, it's best to pull air in from the north or shaded side of your home and exhaust the air out of the south. As well, note the direction of any prevailing wind, as that can help push air through the home. You can also take advantage of the stack effect, where warm air naturally rises to the top of your home. Simply pull in air from the basement or main floor and push it out of the top floor to encourage a natural upward airflow. The amount of cooling is dependent on the outdoor temperature and the layout of your home, so you may need several fans for this to work. A window fan, box fan, and pedestal fan can all be used in combination to help move air throughout a space. A window fan drawing cool air into a bedroom can help you sleep comfortably. A large window or patio screen door might benefit from a box or pedestal fan. You might also need some extra fans to help move the air through hallways and around corners. Now, even if you have a portable air conditioner, a cross breeze can be a good way to save money. For instance, run the air conditioner for a few hours during the hottest part of the day, and then open the windows and use fans during the evening. Hopefully this gives you a few ideas on how to use a box fan on these hot summer days. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.